Hello everyone, in this video I will review the NULLTONEX Bluetooth label printer. The NULLTONEX Bluetooth label printer is a compact plug-and-play device designed to make shipping and office work much easier. It connects quickly via Bluetooth or USB and setup usually takes less than 2 minutes. The printer works fast, producing up to 72 labels per minute at clear 203 dpi resolution, making it reliable for small businesses or home offices. It supports different label sizes from the common 4x6 shipping labels to smaller custom ones and works well with platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, UPS, and USPS. Since it uses thermal printing, there's no need for ink or toner, which keeps costs low in the long run. Many users like that it's portable, energy efficient, and easy to carry around. The print quality is sharp and it saves time compared to traditional printers. Customer support is also responsive, offering chat, phone, email, and even remote assistance if needed. On the downside, the printer only prints in black and white, so it's not suitable for colorful or highly detailed labels. It also handles one sheet at a time, meaning it's not ideal for heavy continuous jobs. Another limitation is that Mac OS users can only connect via USB as Bluetooth isn't fully supported on Mac. Still, the combination of speed, convenience, and affordability makes the NULLTONEX label printer as a solid choice for small businesses, online sellers, or anyone who needs quick and reliable shipping labels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.